Are you reducing, reusing, recycling? The magnificent Chhatrapati Shivaji International Terminal welcomes you to the megapolis of Mumbai. It is home to nearly 19 million people who make a living on and off its roads, jostling around in its fast lanes. The scenic skyline of Amchi Mumbai hides the ground reality. Garbage, garbage, garbage overflowing from bins onto both sides of the road. What happens to all the waste our consumerism throws out uncaringly? An unbelievable 11,000 metric tons gets dumped daily into the landfills at Deonar and Mulund. Over 30,000 sweepers and staff are employed to make our city chaka-chak. Dumper trucks make over 1,000 trips a day, dumping more into the overloaded 157 hectares. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will take care of it. Sensitizing and educating citizens to become eco-conscious is the key to making waste a resource and taking the burden off our planet.
Once it is ingrained in the child is going to carry forward from school to home to the community, and is going to go on and on. So it is not difficult.
The first R of sustainable waste management is to reduce, consume less and conserve more.
The goal of the project was to reduce the total waste which was going out. We did a measurement in the beginning and we monitoring now, and it has come down by at least 50 to 75%.
आम्ही पूर्णपणे प्लॅनिंग केल्यामुळे आमचा जो कॅन्टीनचा वेस्ट जो आहे पूर्णपणे रिड्यूस केला आहे, जो दिवसाचा अंदाजे 10 ते 12 किलोपर्यंत निघतो.
We can get creative in reusing bottles, jars and paper. Carry reusable cloth bags instead of disposable plastic ones. Switch from disposables to reusables. Recycling, the third R of sustainable waste management, plays a pivotal role in reducing what goes to the landfill. There has been a paradigm shift in our thinking in the recent years. Waste can essentially be segregated into dry recyclable and wet biodegradable. Mumbai accounts for around 7% of the total waste generated in India. To make recycling a reality in this metropolis, already starved for space, the solution is decentralized waste management solutions. Dalal Engineering in the last 2 years has already segregated 2,200 kilos of dry recyclable waste.
हाय, यहाँ पे 8-10 सेक्शन है. हर सेक्शन में डस्टबिन रखा है, मिसलिनियस एंड कॉटन बिन्स. इसमें हर सेक्शन के अंदर आप देख सकते हैं. और सब
Now we are at our area where we are collecting the scrap material which are the sellable, which is not a recyclable. You can see the drums or the dabbas of metal dabbas, then the bulbs, electronic items.
आता एकदम चांगलं वाटतं. म्हणजे कसं आम्हाला पण हलका वाटलं एकदम. म्हणजे कचरा पहिला जास्त होता ना, आता तुम्ही जसं बोललं तर थोडा कमी व्हायला लागला. कागद इकडे जातो, कुठता इकडे जातो, प्लास्टिक जमा करायला, म्हणजे आमचा पण वेळ वाचतो. चांगलं वाटतं.
The waste at Marathon Era, when it comes down on a daily basis, is further sorted to ensure safe, effective recycling. As you can see, our Green Crusaders are sorting out the waste in different categories, along with other hard plastics, PET bottles, which include all the washing detergents that you have at home.
So besides plastics, we also separate aluminium, that is beverage and beer cans, tin cans also, and cardboard packaging.
Marathon Era in 2 years has recycled over 48,000 kilos of dry recyclable waste. 60% of the waste we generate is in fact biodegradable and can be converted to green gold organic compost at source. Metrishikul Vidyalaya, under their Food Seva initiative, cooks and serves fresh food to the students, and the biodegradable kitchen waste is converted to compost to grow their nursery of medicinal
When I started
plants.
teaching, I realized that it has to be done in a practical way. So we started with a basic thing of composting, because we have food seva in our school, and in the morning we have something called as fruit break. So students bringing fruit and it gets peeled, and then they would have the fruit. Instead of throwing the fruit peels inside the dustbin, we thought, why not utilize it? So we started with a simple act of composting, which a grade 5 and 6 students enjoyed doing very, very much.
और ये छिलके का क्या करोगे?
ये बायो खत बनता है इसका, और
कहाँ जाएगा?
ये नीचे झाड़ के अंदर।
We have our eco club where we collect peels from temples. All the organic waste, the biodegradable waste has been collected from the temples, and from our school pantry as well. We collect all the organic waste. The peels are being segregated, and then we dump it into this compost bins where the manure is being generated, and then the compost we sell it to the parents and they use it.
Last year we scaled up, and this year we are planning to scale it up and give it to our nearby areas where we use the compost for our saplings and for our garden purposes.
In our school we practice many green practices. So we learnt vegetable gardening in grade 5, and I got motivated a lot. So I asked my mother, and me and my mother have made this big terrace garden on our terrace in Mahim.
We are in the canteen of Dalal Engineering Private Limited, Thane, and as you see, there are 3 color-coded bins placed right here in the canteen. The red being for trash, the blue for handling dry recyclables, and the green for wet waste.
आता तुम्ही बघा की वांग्याचं झाड आहे, ज्याला वांगी लागलेली आहेत, हे आम्ही 3 महिन्यापूर्वी म्हणजे बीज लावलं होतं. त्याचं आता एवढं 3 महिन्यात मोठं झाडामध्ये रूपांतर, त्याला फळंसुद्धा येणं. आता जे तुम्ही बघता जे आहे पूर्णपणे तयार झालेलं खत आहे, जे आमच्या कॅन्टीनमधल्या आणि फॅक्टरीच्या वेस्ट आहे त्यापासून आम्ही तयार केलेलं आहे, आणि हेच खत आहे जे आम्ही आमच्या फळझाडांसाठी उपयोगी करतो.
So 2 years ago I had this idea of wanting to do something with the garbage, to recycle it, to make compost out of it, but I was not very clear about the concept itself.
So I got very excited by that idea of being able to do it on a larger scale, and I live in Marathon, which is a huge building with.
Now we have the biodegradable waste which is coming out from the kitchens of the various homes at Marathon Era. All the biodegradable waste, we ensure there is no plastic, paper, metal added into it, and we fill it into the compost stations. As you can see, the biodegradable waste is loaded up across 6 compost stations. Any plastic, paper, metal is ensured that it's removed while loading up the compost stations. Which goes into composting is a mixture of 70% kitchen waste and balanced 30% of horticultural waste. This comes from the beautifully landscaped garden at Marathon Era and is shredded in a shredder and then added into the 6 compost stations placed in the composting zone at Marathon. Tina, take a look at this. Just smell it.
It smells so good. The last 2 years since we started the process of composting in our society, till date we have not purchased even an iota of outside fertilizer. This is all that you are seeing, having grown using our own in-house composted
I really think the compost, which is a really small step, can help our world become a really clean and green world. Thank you.
Government has just announced an incentive to motivate all of us to reduce the load on the landfill. RUR has been making a difference bin by bin since 2009. There is hope of a greener tomorrow, a better planet to leave for the future generations.